What's up, everybody? So if you guys trade forex, you would know that GBP is going down, and I shorted it at this point. Okay, so in this video I will explain why I shorted this on the basis of my strategy, which is turtle soup strategy. I have already uploaded a video about turtle soup strategy. I will give the link in the description. If you haven't watched, you should watch this video. Okay, so how I took this short trade on GBP. So if you shift to 4 hour, you can see that we got the sweep of this high. Okay, we got the sweep of this high. You can see just a small wick. Okay, so we got the sweep of this, and now the SMT pair of GBP is euro. So if you check this, the low, this high, this has not swept. Okay, the high has not been swept. So what we get an SMT divergence here. Once you get an SMT divergence, then what you do is you have to look for an order block, a bearish order block. You have to look it on 4 hour or 1 hour or 15 minute, 5 minute or 3 minutes. You can see there is no order block on the 4 hour, but when I shifted to 15 minute, there was a clear order block. Okay, if you don't know what order block is, you have to watch that turtle soup video. Okay, you will understand what order block is. So this is the order block on 15 minute. So once it retested the 0.5 fib level of this order block candle, I shorted it here and I put my stop loss above this swing high. So I am still into my shorts, and this is a kind of a swing trade. Okay, so this is how I execute my trades using turtle soup strategy. I hope it's clear. If it's not, you have to watch that turtle soup video. Okay.